YouTube, we're back. What's good, everyone? Today we have a early shoe review of a box that looks kind of different. It's the Air Jordan 1 Pollens. Right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. All right. You guys know what we do on this channel. We do our very best to get the early pairs so that we can review them right before they drop on sneakers at retail stores. I think specifically we can talk about these Pollens because I'm kind of on edge if I'm going to have a personal pair, but you got that different colored box reminding me of the Pittsburgh Steelers or Wiz Khalifa, black and yellow, you know what I'm saying? But definitely different. You've seen the boxes, they've switched it up in terms of how they're releasing the Lightning 4s or even like the trophy rooms. They're definitely changing up the boxes in terms of that. Who knows? But it is the Air Jordan 1 Retro OG Pollen Black White with the MSRP of $170 US. Now, let's talk the closures that's happening in Vietnam for the Nike factories. Do you think that there's going to be an uptick in production somewhere else? Or are they going to find different places because of what's happening with COVID? I don't know. Maybe pairs are going to be less in numbers, which could definitely change its sales and resale prices. But if you guys have checked the market's kind of down right now. So we'll see in terms of what happens. But these Pollens, let's talk and let's open it up, get that first hand thought on it, and we pop it open. Okay, these are that bad. Let's put this down real quick. Definitely darker than what I expected. Now, like in person, if you look at this light real quick, it looks a little bit yellow, and it's very reminiscent. You guys are OGs in the game of the Nike Dunk Wu-Tangs. Got that W on the tongue, but yeah, definitely in a Jordan perspective. I don't know how I feel. I'm feeling kind of nostalgic in a way that they did this on a Jordan because it exactly reminds me of the Wu-Tangs. I'm tripping out. Let's talk about it. You got that yellow leather that they characterize as a Pollen colorway. This leather right now isn't as buttery, but if you look at the toe box, you got that black toe box. And if you press down on it, the leather is actually not bad. It's not tumbled, it's not stiff, but I think it is very reminiscent of the Air Jordan University Blue. So I'm not really too mad about it. And then you have that black midsole here, this portion up here, the panel, and then you have the Pollen swoosh. What do you guys think? Are you rocking with this one? Can you see these rocking in your dailies? Because definitely very simple as all the Jordans have been popping out, but you have that black wing logo, and probably let's flip it open and see my favorite part of the shoe. Okay, the Nike tag got a black Nike hit. Okay, that's pretty dope. I like that. I like it a lot. I could see people maybe replacing this with a W and having an Air Jordan 1 Wu-Tang. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. All right, I'm gonna end because I don't know if I'll keep this for the personal just because the color's yellow, or maybe just because it was kind of like cheating if you don't have the Wu-Tang, you know what I mean? But yeah, these are poised to release on August 14th. And prices right now are pretty respectable. They're in around like the $350 range, depending on what sizes. We have sizes like 9, 10, and that's pretty much the range that's going for $350. And early prices probably can go up to like $420. On the day of release though, what do I project? I think these will be probably at like a $270, $280, unless something crazy happens if you see like athletes like rocking these. But I definitely think these are going to be one of like the affordable ones, not going to be sitting on the sites, but I think you'll be able to make some good profit if you hit retail. So do your best, hit on sneakers, try to find out what the stock numbers are, but definitely think I would only cop if it was for retail. So let me know what you guys think. This is, I just keep thinking Wu-Tang in this. Man, I'm tripping. But overall, pretty dope shoe. This was just gonna be a short review just to get back into things in terms of YouTube videos. We're gonna be as consistent as we can and keep on to the road as we get to 1K. So hit that subscribe button if you guys like this. If you guys like this content, let me know what you guys enjoy most about this channel. And yeah, maybe we can put some on-feed pictures in the future. But with that being said, y'all, very short video. You're gonna be seeing me often, hopefully with some banger content. and then we'll go from there. But I appreciate y'all, I love y'all, and always remember y'all, stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace!
Yo, some niggas don't get the bloom before you putting flowers on their tomb. You can't assume that the love is there before you making sudden moves. I can't approve of it, I already knew before I got the news of it.